Today I'm going to show you how to save job searches on Upwork. This is incredibly useful when you're actively looking for work because it lets you bookmark opportunities you want to apply to later, keeping your job hunt organized and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your freelancer profile so you can access all the job search features. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Upwork homepage. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll begin your job hunt. Click on that search bar to activate it and type in the type of work you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for customer service roles, simply type customer service into the bar. Once you've entered your search term, press enter. This will pull up all the relevant job listings that match your criteria. Now you'll see a page filled with job results. Take a moment to browse through the listings that appear. Each job will display key details like the project description, budget, and client information. As you scroll through, you'll likely come across opportunities that catch your eye and match your skills. When you find a job that interests you and you'd like to save for later review or application, click on that specific job listing to open it. Once you click on a job, it will expand to show you the full details of the position. Look over to the right panel of the screen where you'll see several options related to this job posting. Among these options, you'll notice a button that says Save Job. Click on this button. By doing so, you're bookmarking this particular opportunity, making it easy to find later without having to search for it again. And that's it. You've successfully saved a job on Upwork. This feature is especially handy when you're comparing multiple opportunities or when you want to apply but need more time to craft the perfect proposal. All your saved jobs can be accessed from your profile, allowing you to manage your applications efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.